Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change theme on Samsung Android. Now let's get started. First, after you open your phone, if you wanna change this theme, it's so pretty simple. So you just pitch with your two finger at the menu like this. Just pitch with your two fingers. Okay, so like this, and after this, in here you just click on the tabs at the bottom, and now after this, in here you can choose the tab that you want to add. In here I wanna choose this. I wanna click on the top first for see the top tab on this Samsung Android. And after this, in here you can see many tabs at a Samsung Galaxy tabs. You can choose the tab that you want. Okay, I wanna choose this. Oh no. Okay, no, I wanna try to add this one, so you just click on it. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the free at the bottom. Okay, click on it, and after this you can waiting until the process has been finished. And now after this, in here you just click on apply at the bottom. Okay, click on apply. Can waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and now finish. So that how to change a theme on Samsung Android. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.